everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is the second video in the series where I tried to fix a painting gone wrong. So if you haven't watched the first video yet, I have a link to it here in the corner now, and you can also find the link in the description below. But for this second video, I'm going to redo what I did last time. And unfortunately, I experienced some technical problems with the recording while making this video. But what I did before this was to scrape off the previous pour from my canvas. I saved the paint and I put it in a cup and mixed it really well so I could use it as a color for this new pour. It ended up having a nice bluish teal shade that was a perfect in-between color to those I had already chosen. And I am layering my colors in a smaller cup here, putting some white as my base and then trying this time not to add as much copper as I did in the previous pour. And then I flipped the cup and added a base of white all around it to allow it to move easier. If there's nothing on the canvas, there's a chance that the paint might stick to the surface of the fabric and that can ruin the design. And then I waited for a little while hoping to see some cells pop up, but for some reason I didn't get any this time. So I gave up and I started tilting my canvas back and forth to spread the paint out until I had a design that I was happy with. I really liked the blending of the colors here and the tone of the teal. Unfortunately, the end of the video got cut off, but all I did was move the paints around until most of the white had been pushed off the edge. And then when it looked like this, I decided I was happy with it and I set it to dry. But as you can see here on the finished result, it doesn't look quite the same as it did when I stopped moving it. And this is because the canvas wasn't level on my desk and the paints continued to slowly move as they were drying. This also caused another problem that I'm showing here. And that is that the paints sort of cracked when part of it had dried and the other part was still moving. I don't like the way that this looks, and I also don't like that the paint ended up being really thick in the lower left corner and really thin in the upper right one. So that is the reason I am going to continue working on this piece and use this as the base for a mixed media canvas instead. I don't want to see this as a failure, but instead as a way to learn and a chance to make something else. So I hope you like this quick follow-up on the canvas. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you again next time.